Are you also running a business and want to instantly connect with your new leads? Then this video is definitely for you. Because in this video, I'm going to show you how you can instantly connect with your new leads received from the firm's website, etc. by just using Pabbly Connect. So now let me firstly show you what I'm talking about. So right here, I'm on my Google form which I'm going to fill. And as I will fill this Google form, an instant WhatsApp message will be received. So here I'm going to fill all these details, providing the first name as test, last name as user, email, phone number, and the message or the query. Now let's submit it. And right here you can see that this form is successfully submitted. Now an instant WhatsApp message will be sent to this particular lead. So now let's move on towards my WhatsApp and check for the WhatsApp message. So right here I'm on my WhatsApp, where you can see that I'm successfully receiving this WhatsApp message which says, "Hello test user, thank you for reaching out to us." And here you can see that I'm successfully receiving this WhatsApp message with the same name of my lead which I have just filled over my Google form. So now you can see that how amazing this automation is, which will lead my business to instantly connect with this particular lead. And now this is going to help your business to grow more, because this is going to enhance your users' experience as you are instantly connecting with them. And you can create this automation by just using Pabbly Connect. And not only these applications, you can integrate thousands of applications by using Pabbly Connect, which is going to reduce all your manual workload. And now you can connect with your leads without typing even a single word. And this automation is going to send them instant WhatsApp message despite of whatever time they connect with your business. So now this automation is going to keep your business active 24/7. So now let me show you the process of creating this automation by just using Pabbly Connect. So now let's move on towards the dashboard page. So right here I'm on the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect, which you can get by typing its URL, that is pabbly.com/connect. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you can just click over the sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Connect. Means you are getting a chance for testing and creating this automation for freely inside Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over the sign in. And if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this discount coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards the dashboard page, where for creating a new workflow, we just have to click over this create workflow button. And right here I'm going to create it using Quick Builder, which is the new workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, where you don't have to select trigger or action application. You just have to provide a prompt to this AI, and this will automatically make the setup for those applications. So here I'm going to enter my prompt as connect Google Forms with WhatsApp. And right here I'm going to select my Google Forms trigger as new response received, and here I'm going to select the app for the WhatsApp, that is WhatsApp Cloud API. So right here you can see that I'm getting this application, so I have selected it. Now let's select the WhatsApp Cloud API action as send text message, but you can even send template messages too. And now let's approve it, and now let's open our workflow. So right here we are on the workflow page, where you can see that my both applications are already integrated, that is the Google Forms and WhatsApp Cloud API. So now let's select Google Forms, and here we are getting this webhook URL with the steps for pasting it. So this webhook URL is going to make a connection between Google Forms and Pabbly Connect. so that as soon as the user fills the Google form, the data can be automatically fetched by Pabbly Connect. So now let's copy it, and now let's move on towards my Google form. So right here you can see that this is the form through which I'm going to receive my new leads, named as users form. Now you just have to go towards the responses, where you have to select this option of view in sheets or link to sheets, and you will be landed to the Google Sheet, which is the native integration of the Google Forms. And right here the last data column is F. And now for adding the webhook URL, you just have to move towards extensions, where you have to select add-ons and you have to select this get add-ons, and you will be landed to the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you have to search for the app that is Pabbly Connect webhook. So now let me search for it. And right here you can see that we are getting this app which is already installed. So make sure to firstly install it, and afterwards again you have to go towards extensions, where you will see this option of Pabbly Connect webhooks, where you have to select this initial setup, and you will be getting the initial setup dialog box. And right here we have to add the webhook URL which we have just received. And now for the trigger column, we have to enter the last data column of our Google Sheet, and right here the last data column is F. So here I'm going to enter it as F. Now let's submit it, and here you can see that my setup has been configured successfully. Now we just have to send the test data to the Pabbly Connect, and for that we have to make a new entry over this Google Sheet. So now let's move on towards my form, where I'm going to copy its link, paste over the new tab, and get my Google form which I'm going to fill, providing all these details. And right here I have filled this form, providing the first name, last name, email, phone number, and the message or the query. And now I am going to submit this form by simply selecting this submit button. And right here you can see that my response has been successfully recorded. So now let's move on towards my Google Sheet, which is the native integration of the Google form, and check whether we are getting this data over there or not. So right here I'm on the Google Sheet, and here you can see that I'm successfully receiving all the data. Now we just have to send this test data to the Pabbly Connect, and for that we just have to click over the send test, and here you can see that our test data has been sent successfully. Now let's move on towards the Pabbly Connect and see whether we are receiving this test data over there or not. So right here I'm on my Pabbly Connect, where you can see 10 seconds ago we have received this response, that is response A, and this consists of all the fields which we have just filled over our Google Forms. And now you have to perform one more task, that is you have to go towards extensions, select Pabbly Connect webhooks, and here you have to enable this send on event, so that you don't have to send the data again and again to the Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect can automatically fetch this data, and here you can see that it is enabled successfully. And now as soon as someone will fill the Google form, the data will be automatically captured by Pabbly Connect. And now let's connect to our this lead by using WhatsApp Cloud API. So here I'm going to select it. Now let's make the connection. So right here we are on the connection page, where if you want to go through your existing connection, then you can select this button of existing connection, and for building a new connection you just have to click over this add new connection. And right here we have to enter the token, phone number ID, and the WhatsApp business account ID. And for getting all these, you have to visit this documentation given over the help desk, which will provide you the necessary steps and the videos for setting up WhatsApp Cloud API inside Pabbly Connect and generating the permanent token inside WhatsApp Cloud API. And you can even follow these steps too. But for now I already have set up my API. So now let's move on towards my API setup page. So right here I'm on my API setup page, where you can see this option of generate access token, which I'm going to just select. And here I'm going to just click over this reconnect to my Facebook account, and here we are getting our access token, and this is the temporary access token, but you can use the permanent access token. So here I'm going to enter it. Now let's get the phone number ID. So here I'm getting the phone number ID, which I'm going to add. Now let's get the WhatsApp business account ID too. So here I have got all these. Now let's save it, and here you can see that my connection has been built in so smoothly, and we are getting this first field for entering the recipient's mobile number. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to copy it from the Google Sheet and paste it over here. But no, I'm not going to do so, because here I'm going to map all these fields. Now you might be thinking, what is this mapping? So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map my recipient's mobile number from the response which I'm receiving from my Google Forms, as this is my previous application. And the process is simple. You just have to select this field and this slash symbol. And right here we are getting our previous application. So from its response, I'm going to map the phone number of my lead. And now here it is asking me to enter the message which we want to send to our user. So now let's enter it. So this is the message which I'm going to send to my user, and after this word hello, I'm going to enter the name of my lead. So here again I'm going to use the response of the Google Forms. So here I'm going to map the first name, provide the space, and I'm going to map the last name of my lead. So here I'm going to map the last name too. And now these fields are dynamic, means these are going to replace with every new single form submission received. And now for this field, that is phone number, I'm going to remove this mobile number and add my mobile number so that I can show you the response which I'm receiving, as this was just a dummy number. So here I have entered my mobile number. Now let's click over the save and send test request. And here we are receiving this positive response which demonstrates that a WhatsApp message might be sent. So now let's move on towards my WhatsApp and check it. So right here I'm on my WhatsApp, where you can see that I'm successfully receiving this message which says, hello demo lead, thank you for reaching out to us. And right here you can see that I'm successfully receiving a personalized message. So now you have seen how you can connect to your leads by using an automation created by Pabbly Connect. And now as soon as someone will fill the Google form, they will be instantly receiving the WhatsApp message. So isn't it the best way to connect with your leads instantly without you typing even a single word? So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have just created in the description box. So make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video.
Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.